and just show you what you can expect if you're staying here. I know it's great when you're looking at brochures, looking at all the best pictures, etc. But there's nothing like looking at some up-to-date reviews on YouTube of what the hotel actually looks like as of today. So why don't you come and join me while we check this place out. So join me this afternoon. We're going to go for a little walk around Palm Beach Hotel. We're located in Playa de las Américas in Tenerife, and the time of filming is July 2025. Now, it's not a room review, it's just an overview of the hotel. I'm going to walk, leaving reception, come down on the lift, and we're going to go straight out and show you where the pool is. Animation team's just getting ready. Hotel's located bang on the beach. Perfect location. It looks like it's going on for a little bit of renovation work at the moment. I'm just going to whiz you through and show you. So yeah, we've got a bit of construction work going on there. So they've put a green screen up. I'm just going to walk you through now. They've got music on, so while they've got music on, I will narrate over it. YouTube do not like background music while you're walking around, so if I talk all over it, they'll realise it's not a music video. It's not a music video. It's actually a hotel review with me just talking over it, so that it won't get flagged. So yeah, I'm just gonna wish you around the pool here. Well, we'll go and find a restaurant. I'll show you around the reception area. Yeah, just give you an idea of a bit of a feel for the place. There are a lot of lounges, as you can see. It's a big hotel, and it's right in front of the beach. So you're literally yards away from Veronica's, all the bars, the restaurants, loads of entertainment going on. You've got walking steps here into the pool, which is great if you're not good on your pins. Got a kids club going on over here with an animation team taking care of your kids. Got a pool table going on, ping pong. So it's quite sheltered here. You've got hotels on both sides. It's wrapped around quite well, so you haven't got a lot of breeze, but it is quite nice. You've got a hot tub going on. Hot tub. A little quiet area to the back. There you go, a whole view of the hotel. DJ playing his tunes with a lifeguard, so that's good. A lifeguard going on. Big hotel, this one. So you can just tell by about sunbeds, and there isn't a sunbed free. Absolutely packed. British school holidays start very shortly. We're filming second week in July 2025. So this gives you an idea what it's like before the school holidays. Just imagine what it's going to be like during the school holidays. You are not going to get a chair here. It's going to be absolutely chair wars. Okay, so let's have a mooch around this way, see what we can find. If you have stayed here, by the way, do leave a comment. Any room recommendations, any good bars, restaurants you've been to, comment section below. Why don't you leave some tips, trips you've been on, and any recommendations. Yeah, I think this area where they're doing renovations would really seriously be needed if you were to stay here when it's really busy. Okay.